Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Roblox so the account can generate recovery codes tied to you. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and tap Security. This is where Roblox manages two-step verification and backup codes. Make sure your account email is verified before you proceed, because Roblox uses that contact to confirm actions. If you skip verification, you won't be able to request recovery codes, so verify now and continue to the next step. Once you enable two-step verification, choose whether to use an authenticator app or email verification. Each method proves it's really you. After confirming a test code, find the option labeled Generate Recovery Codes and click it. Roblox will show multiple single-use codes. Copy them exactly and store them securely. Use a password manager or write them down and lock them away. Make sure you keep at least one backup location so you can access code. To recover access, enter one of the backup codes when Roblox asks for two-step verification. Each code is one-time use, so mark used ones off. Once done, you can regenerate a fresh set in security to replace spent codes, which prevents reuse by anyone else. If something goes wrong, for example, you no longer control the email or phone, gather proof like purchase receipts, account creation date, and previous usernames, and then contact Roblox support so they can verify ownership and help restore your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.